Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure with Jello.
Hi.
Alright, join me. Okay, let's go to blue team.
Let's build it.
Yeah, but we're gonna build a boat.
Can't remember it. So
Oh, someone.
guess I'm going to make a combination.
Okay, looks like someone's already on blue team.
Which actually the point?
Yes,
Okay.
we're on blue team now. Let's go.
How big?
We're gonna build a boat.
Hmm.
Okay, how much do I have? I don't know. Can I move this?
Wait. Yes. Mm.
Okay, we have 8 blocks. Whoa, we have a lot. Okay, let's put a boat.
I only have one. That's the code.
Let's delete this because I messed up. And then we're gonna put this one right here. And our chair is right here. Ooh, should we have... Hey, that's my chair.
Oh, sorry.
You're gonna put that right there. Where else can we put it? Right here. And right here. Oh, I ran out. Let's delete this one then. And put the blue one. There's some. Let's put some more up here. And right here. What else should I add?
I don't know.
The red ones too. They go on to the very top. And one right here. And here. And then with this, we're gonna... Oh no. We're gonna build a boat for Jello. Jello, do you want a boat? Yeah? Okay.
Push your button. Yes.
Yes. So good at building boats. Still got 7 more. Okay. So we're gonna build like this. There we go. And then this one like this. And then another like this. Uh-oh. That's not in the right spot. Let's delete this. Okay, let's get a chair for him. Okay, sit down. Jello,
What?
sit down.
Where?
Right here.
Is it?
Yeah, here. We're gonna go now. No! My boat! All my chests! They're falling!
Faster than the coin.
Is that a car? Oh, look, a waterfall! Whoa. Let's try to make it to the end. Whoa. Oh, look at the butterflies. Wow. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what other games we should play or games that we should replay. Okay, let's see what's the next one. Mushroom? This ain't no Mario.
Like the mushroom guy.
Toad?
I put faster.
Oh, that's an awesome boat that I made. It looks like a toilet.
Yes.
Whoa.
No. Sorry.
Crystals. What's that thing?
Let's give us faster.
Yeah, what is that thing?
I don't know. Looks like a house. Is this me already?
Oh, you got kicked out?
Yes.
Oh, join again. Some musical.
Yes.
So those music notes do damage?
Hey guys, I just got kicked out, guys.
Yeah, he just got kicked out.
Yes, because someone. I cracked my knees really bad.
How are those music notes still hitting us? It's the circus. Oh, that was a close one. Close meteors. What are those, balloons? What if we're just really tiny and those are M&Ms? What? How did they get a circle? Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh,
I think they passed. Yeah, see, they're right there, the circle. That's a boat.
you really look like a boat.
I see someone in there. I don't think they're supposed to fall down. Yeah, but look, it's a person with a wheel. Ah, bombs.
You died?
I died. I was so close.
Yes, guys. It was super close, guys.
Oh, nice. 64.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
more chests.
Sorry, guys. It's just my car.
Ooh, things I can buy with Robux. And stuff that I can't buy. Pets, what do pets do? Oh, name your Roblox character. What stuff I can buy with Robux?
Robux?
Yeah, Robux. What's this? A jetpack? What's this? Boat motor? Build a huge car? Who can build a car? What's
A
this?
better boat.
Camera? Light switch? I could buy gold. Let's see, this is the shop, teams, saves, quests, dragon? Defeat the dragon, you must launch to activate the battle. You have lost the battle once all teammates are dead. How do you kill it? PvP? PvP? Let's see. What's this? Travel the speed of light to show for you. 8 portal blocks. Oh, portal. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah.
Now let's test it out. Let's try to find it. Aha, here it is.
Wait.
No, just go in here. Whoa. Okay, so what if I put this right here, and then let's go here. Where's the blocks? What's this? Receive neon blocks. How much do I get? Oh, 50 for these. Oh, okay. Let's buy a legendary.
You just love my concert.
Yeah.
How I can
Whoa.
build it, Nicole.
Nice.
But how I can build it.
Oh, let me invite you.
Right, me?
Yeah. Give me an invitation so I can like invite you.
Okay.
There we go. And now you are blue team.
Mm.
Let's see, where can I put this?
Whoa, that's creepy. What is that? Whoa.
It's a teleporter. Try it.
Whoa. That's
I have an idea. Okay. Can I like wait.
that.
How do I like change it?
Nicole, I want that.
Oops. Just wait.
Nicole, I want that.
How do I change it? Like, can I go sideways or something? Oh, what if I just put it back to back?
Whoa.
Reset?
Can I try it?
Not yet.
Hold on, I'm gonna
Don't try it. I want to be the first one to try.
the chair. The chair.
Uh-oh. No! Help me! I'm trapped!
That.
Look, I'm this infinite loop. Help me!
Okay. I'm gonna get in.
There's no escape! It's a prison!
Um,
Oh! Delete them.
delete
Oh, that was a close one.
this. What do you want to do?
Try it.
Well, whoa, you got a lot.
Alright, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Uh,
Leave it.
okay.
Let's delete them. And then,
No way, Jose.
mm, yes, I did it.
What? Let me try.
You need to try. Try and practice.
Ah! How did I get up here? Okay, let's delete them. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea.
Join a chair.
Wait. I have an idea.
Join a chair.
No.
Okay. Yes, chair for me.
Yeah, I can't even change the direction. I don't know how to.
Like what?
I don't know what those do.
Uh,
Alright, let's try it. Whoa. What the?
okay. Window.
Ooh, I have a perfect idea. Okay. Go through one.
Hello?
See where you go. Yeah.
I'm gonna delete it.
No, we're just gonna see where we go. What the?
Hmm. That's
I have another idea. Nope. Uh-huh. How do I don't think there's a way. But I was gonna make like a trap.
like how we gonna be. How you take this off?
Like that. Okay, that's one, two, that's eight. No, that's six. Alright, let's try to escape now. Let's just delete that real quick. Move. Yo, my character's stuck. So let's reset. No! What did you do?
What? Are you kidding me, bro? Where's mine? Hammer. Where's my hammer?
I don't know.
Look, you have me. See? Look.
Uh-oh. What?
Who did that?
Oh, it was what? No, you're gonna get what? How are the people flying? Okay, I have an idea.
Look at my blocks, bro.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah. Six. No. Get some more.
You want me to get some more?
Yes. So we can go in the water, so we're not gonna fall. Did I?
No.
If you did.
No.
And if I saw you.
Oh,
Where's my hammer?
30, 60, which have been 6. So here we go. What the?
Let's go
Huh?
in the water.
Where?
Let's go in the water.
Let's try to land in the top corner. Yeah, let's go in the water. Let's go in the water.
Wow.
We are safe. Ah, damage, damage, damage. Ah,
Whoa.
that was an epic fail. Where did the chest come from?
Chest?
Yeah.
No, the green. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Uh-huh. That is correct. Now let's see what we get. Let's see what we get.
Yes, right? Let's use it. Whoa.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Let's buy one more. Let's buy one more.
We call fire watching. We're watching Joe.
Whoa. Nice. Let's buy an epic. Nice. Now let's buy a rare. Nice. Now let's buy an uncommon. Nice. Now let's buy a common. Nice. Now we have enough to buy a rare. Let's buy another rare. Oh, I'm rich. One more common. Nice.
Because I want to build it. Yes.
Oh, you can build it now?
No. Look, I'm gonna.
That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.